gorgeous 1974 Plymouth Sebring Plus. Yep, Sebring Plus. That is the model of this beautiful restored Mopar, guys. This thing is in really, really nice condition. I'm gonna rate the paint on the exterior 9.5 out of 10. This thing just is straight as can be, and it shows super, super nice. Obviously, you see the upgraded wheel and tire package. The motor is a 360 with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, okay? Beautiful, everything's been restored on this car. Beautiful black buckets. Listen to how this thing sounds. Isn't that nice? The body is super straight. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can you open the door there? Look at this interior. It's black. It's brand new. It smells brand new. It is super nice. All the seat belts intact. Look at these door lips, door jambs. I mean, just, if you guys want a gorgeous, gorgeous car, guys, that nobody really has, this is it. Give us a call here at MGM Classic Cars or text us 847-848-1850.